Hello, it's Elliot Mechanic from Montreal, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you my tip of the month. I'm going to be showing you how to reface my mirror image temporaries with re-enamel. When I have a patient that I'm making a major aesthetic change with, what I like to do is I like the patient to be able to see their forefront teeth looking really good. And I find that if I just cut back my mirror image temporary material and put a little bit of re-enamel shade B1 or bleaching shade and polish it up really well, it makes a really big difference. I want the patient to be able to smile and see themselves at their best. So when the patient smiles and looks in the mirror, it almost gives them the same result as the final veneer. What I'm doing right now, I'm just using a very fine flame-shaped diamond just to cut back my mirror image material. And basically what I'm doing, I'm creating a box on the labial surface. Our next step is just to resurface the temporaries with a little bit of bonding agent, just so we get a better bond between the microfill and the temporary material. What I'm doing right now, I'm just placing a little bit of re-enamel on the labial surface of the anterior tooth, and I'm using an instrument from Ivoclar called an Opera Sculpt, which I'm basically using as a paintbrush. We then use a series of fine diamonds, 12 and 20 fluted carbide burrs, and Cosmedent flexi discs to give our re-enamel a fine polish and finish, much the same we would do on an anterior bonded composite. In fact, that's what we're doing. This is the same thing as doing anterior bonded composite. We then do our final finish using the Superfine Rose flexi discs. The very last thing that I do is I take an ultra-fine diamond in the interproximal embrasure so that the teeth will stain a little bit when the patient eats colored food, tea or coffee. This way, the temporaries, which are all joined together, will look more separated. This is Elliot Mechanic and the Cosmedent Tip of the Month.